Welcome to this presentation on how to write the CIPD Level 7 assessment for 2024 to 2025. You can visit our website by clicking on link provided in comment sections or chat with us on WhatsApp on clicking link to get best expert help. You will find how to write this question in this video. Kindly subscribe us to and message us on
Speaker notes. CIPD Level 7 assignments demand a high level of critical thinking and evaluation rather than simple description. To score well, you should avoid just stating theories and instead link them directly to workplace practice, showing how they apply to real organizational contexts. The assessors want to see originality, which means not just repeating textbook definitions, but analyzing and evaluating their impact. For example, applying Ulrich's HR business partner model or psychological contract theory to your chosen workplace. Evidence-based HR is critical here. Use data, research findings, and workplace examples to support your points. Instead of saying engagement is important, demonstrate how engagement impacts performance metrics, referencing CIPD reports or journal articles. By ensuring your writing connects theory, practice, and evidence, you prove mastery of Level 7 expectations and strengthen your chances of achieving a distinction-level grade. Speaker notes. A strong structure is the foundation of a high-scoring CIPD Level 7 assignment. Begin with an introduction that clearly sets out the context, purpose, and scope. Each section should map directly to the assessment criteria, ACS, ensuring nothing important is missed. Subheadings can be aligned with AC wording for clarity and flow, making it easier for assessors to see that you have met the requirements. Within the main body, use critical analysis supported by evidence, theory, and examples. Avoid writing generalized statements that lack depth. End each section with a mini conclusion or implications, and finish the assignment with a strong overall conclusion and recommendations. This shows not only that you can analyze, but also that you can apply findings to practical organizational strategy, which is a key hallmark of Level 7 writing. Speaker notes. At Level 7, description alone is not enough. Assessors expect you to critically analyze and evaluate theories, frameworks, and workplace practices. For example, rather than simply describing Maslow's hierarchy, you could evaluate its relevance in modern, diverse workplaces and contrast it with self-determination theory. Highlight the strengths and limitations of each, linking them to HR strategy. Using real-life examples, case studies, or CIPD research reports will make your evaluation evidence-based and credible. For instance, contrasting Ulrich's HRBP model with agile HR frameworks demonstrates awareness of evolving practices. Critical evaluation means questioning assumptions, showing limitations, and making reasoned judgments about what works best. This approach strengthens your analysis and demonstrates the high-level critical thinking skills that are required for distinction-level marks at CIPD Level 7. Speaker notes. Evidence is a key requirement in CIPD Level 7 writing. High-scoring assignments draw on a wide range of sources: CIPD reports, peer-reviewed journals, case studies, and workplace data. You should integrate practitioner insight alongside academic evidence to show balance and relevance. For instance, combining staff survey data with recent CIPD research on engagement makes your point more persuasive. Referencing is crucial. Use Harvard referencing accurately and consistently. Avoid over-relying on outdated or weak sources such as blogs or generic websites. Instead, prioritize high-quality, recent, and credible material. Strong referencing also demonstrates academic integrity and professionalism. When evidence is combined with critical evaluation, it adds weight to your arguments and ensures that your assignment is robust, persuasive, and aligned with CIPD Level 7 expectations. Speaker notes. High-scoring assignments require a strategic approach. Begin by planning carefully around the ACs, ensuring that you allocate word count in proportion to their weighting. Draft your answers early and allow time for revision, editing, and proofreading. This ensures clarity, accuracy, and coherence. Peer or tutor feedback can provide valuable insights and help identify areas for improvement. Originality is key. Avoid over-reliance on templates or model answers. Instead, bring in your own professional experience, critical insights, and reflections. By linking theory to practice in an original way, you demonstrate independent thought. Finally, maintain a professional writing style throughout, focusing on clarity and precision. Combining planning, revision, feedback, and originality will significantly enhance your chances of scoring distinction-level grades in CIPD Level 7 assignments.